It's true. Homeschool moms are not real teachers. Most of us don't have teaching degrees. We don't always follow scripted lesson plans. And we don't have a classroom full of 30 children raising their hands waiting to speak. And that's exactly why we're better. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we are gonna talk about homeschool moms not being real teachers, because that is a big thing that teachers like to say and parents who are against homeschooling like to say. And they're right, we're not real teachers. I mean, don't get me wrong, teachers in the school system, they work really hard and they face a lot, but they're limited. They mostly have to teach every child the same way at the same pace and the same thing, regardless of the children's individual needs. As homeschool moms, we know our kids better than anyone. We get to literally ask them what they want to learn about and tailor their education to meet those goals. We try our best to teach with love and patience and understanding, and I'm sure the teachers do that as well, but it's a lot harder when you have 30 kids that are not your own. We have such a deep understanding of our kids that no stranger, no matter how qualified, can ever match. And unlike classroom teachers, we don't teach for test, we teach for life. Let's be real, no one is more invested in your child's education than you. No one prays over their children's future like you. No one tailors education with the same patience, love, and vision for the long-term care as a homeschool mom or dad. So no, homeschool moms are not real teachers. We're something much better. So don't ever doubt yourselves, mamas. You know what's best for your child. Please make sure to subscribe, guys. I know this was a quick one. A lot of my viewers are not subscribed, and I'd love to see that subscriber count go up so I can continue to make encouraging content for you. If you found this video helpful or any of my videos helpful, make sure to shoot them over to someone you think needs to hear it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.